Hello, in this session I'm joined by Stefan Oppheim. He is the lead developer of a new functionality that we've just added to our Pims document control product called shared files. So Stefan, could you show us and tell us a little bit about shared files?
Yes. Shared files is a web application that allows you to create a simple folder structure to share and work on files. Inside the folder structure, you can restrict access to individual folders as much as you want. And you have a few options to collaborate on the files.
Sounds good. So can we have a little look at it as well?
Yes. So when you get into shared files, the top level is called the area. And the area is kind of how you would separate the different scopes for the shared files. So say you have multiple projects, you will typically have them as their own individual area. You can create a brand new area by simply typing in the name of your area, or if you have an existing folder structure, you can upload that folder structure. When we jump into the area, the first thing you want to make sure is set up is the access to that area. So you can select a contract here from the DC contracts register if you want to share with a contractor, or if you want to share with individual people, you can add that as well.
Yeah, so an important way that this functionality is used is actually to have a simple way of sharing files and hyperlinks with contractors or other stakeholders of a project. Is that correct?
Yes, that is correct. And people have used shared files from everything from storing project documents that were kept in a folder hierarchy to simply sharing team building pictures together with the contractor. On the files, you have some different options. For instance, you can check in and check out the files if you want to work and collaborate on them. You can share the file with other people that have access to the same folder, or you can add some simple comments.
And as we see here, we don't have like a document ID or many attributes on the document, and not like revision control that we're used to from standard document control. But here at least we keep track of all the versions of the file. So every time you check in the file again, the previous version will be available in this file history.
Yes, that's correct. And also, if you accidentally delete the file or a version, you can always recover it from the recycling bin.
Okay, yes. So this is basically it. It's a very simple feature to use, and it can of course be very useful in many cases. Of course, it's not a competitor to our Pims document control main documents register, but together with these shared files can serve different types of needs. So that was it for this session. Thank you, Stefan.
Thank you.